Would you like to quit your job and have financial freedom? Let me show you how to do that. I've got a student of mine that just quit his job last year by getting into Airbnbs, and he's currently generating north of $80,000 a month on Airbnb. So needless to say, when you got that kind of cash flow, you don't need a job. At the Airbnb Boot Camp, I'm going to be teaching you how to find your first Airbnb, how to fund it using a private lender loan from someone like me, and then how to repair it, rehab it, renovate it, and then when it's ready, furnish it and list it on the Airbnb platform. And if you do this correctly, you can generate north of $120,000 on just one house, which can easily replace your income. I've got students of mine that have 10 Airbnbs, as I mentioned, that are generating $80,000, $90,000 a month. And I want to show you how you can do this too. If you're looking for financial freedom, Airbnb is a good way to go. I've got a 3-day Airbnb and short-term rental boot camp coming up where I'm going to teach you how to get started buying your first Airbnb. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. I've got a link below. And if you want to get started with Airbnbs, make sure you're at this event.